Oh, I got tickled.
Oh, so did I.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
We're on another adventure today. We're going to actually travel along. Where are we?
Snettisham.
Snettisham.
At the Clear Resort. Not
Snettisham?
resort. Reserve.
Where's my some binoculars?
Some binoculars. Let's pick them up.
Oh.
No, you haven't. They're in the van.
You need the key.
I've got the key.
Yeah, so while Alex retrieves the binoculars, I'll just tell you roughly where we are. We're at the reserve. Bar reserve. We're near Snettisham. Yeah, we're going to have a walk along the coast. It's been a bit rainy. It's been raining for a few days. So what we've decided to do today, what we've decided to do today is head along the coast, try and keep off the muddies, so that you know, we can see if we can see any birdies, or yeah, just have a walk really.
Yeah.
Is that okay with you?
Now.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah,
We've got our rain apparel on.
Got rain apparel, got binoculars,
Binoculars.
gloves, everything, gloves, everything. Right, are you ready?
I am ready.
Let's go.
Do it.
So we've come a little way now. How far have we come, do you think?
Only about a little bit,
Yeah,
I reckon. So it is actually 1.5 miles.
You're kidding?
1.5 miles, there is.
It's a glorious day.
Well,
Absolutely, because we've only seen a couple of people on bikes, on electric bikes, haven't we?
saw a couple of old folk as well.
Oh yeah, a couple of old folk.
Or was that a reflection?
Yeah. So yeah, as you can see out there, that's a wash behind us.
But it's not a wash.
It's not a wash with water.
No,
There's
tide's
no
out.
Tide's out. But if you listen to the birds, listen. Couple of birds there. And this is the old railway track that runs along the Queen's Railway. This was. The Queen used to run along here. And yeah.
Early morning, jog.
No, not jog. Oh no, in a train.
All right, in a train.
Yeah, she went to the spa and some get the messages, pint of milk and a butter, a little loaf.
Little loaf.
Yeah, a little loaf. So we're going to go to this hide now and have a look up here and see if there's anything in this hide.
Yeah, we're going to hide.
We're going to hide in the hide for a little while.
Yeah.
Did you bring snacks?
No.
Is there a saurine in my bag?
Could be.
Could be. Come on, let's go and have a look.
Yeah,
Ready?
what, in your bag?
Yeah. What can you see?
Turns.
Oh, what can you see?
Turns. Or the black-headed gulls?
Black-headed gulls, I would say. I was waiting for you to correct yourself.
I don't think we've got any turnips in here yet. We must have some turnips.
Really, why? I think there's too many black-headed gulls.
What you got?
I got avocet,
Widgeon?
Norwegian. I got oyster catcher.
Oyster catchers, oh yeah. What about sandalings?
No, oh yeah, the sun.
Little ring plovers.
What?
You got any little ring plovers?
I don't know. I don't think so. I'm not sure what a ring plover's like.
Oh, I say.
What?
They're having a right set to.
Where?
No, they're fighting in the water. He landed on his back. And they started to argy-bargy. Oh my word, that is long vicious.
That is.
Oh, one of those could drown.
Their wing. Actually, I think that one has.
Yeah, he has, hasn't he? Oh no.
No, he's fine.
Look down. Spread it out.
That was quite good, that bit of argy-bargy, wasn't it?
Oh, very exciting.
Very
Oh, you just dropped rubbish.
Oh.
Not having that. Oh.
Give us it.
No.
Right, can we go to the next hide?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Ready! Cool. This Rotary Hide was opened by Bill Oddie on the 5th of October 1997.
Is that when he was mad? Was he mad at that time?
He ain't mad.
Wow, how cool is that?
Pretty cool, actually.
Walking in the footsteps of the great Bill Oddie.
Thanks, Bill.
Thank you, Bill.
And the Rotary Club.
Come on, let's go to the other hide.
Hi.
Ready?
With the binocular.
Anything?
Lots of gulls. Oh. Shall I shut your window?
I don't know window.
Eh?
You open it.
Didn't you?
Yeah.
Well, I will shut it.
Come on then. Look at the milkies.
Ooh, that's a midgy.
There's lots of landing for different things.
You know.
How is it? Wow, look at this place. This is stunning.
What a spectacle.
What a great place, eh?
That's stunning. Those birds, just awesome. I can't believe that we're the only ones here.
I know, there you go.